How to change profile picture on Temu. Hi everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. In this video, we will be learning how you can easily add or change your profile picture on Temu.com account in just a few simple steps. First of all, launch open a web browser and type in Temu.com in the URL box and search. Soon after you do that, you'll end up in the official website for Temu. After you're signed into the home page of Temu, go to the top right corner and mouse over to Orders and Accounts and click on your current profile picture. Now on the next page, click on the pencil button right next to your username and then click the camera icon on the next page. Now select a profile picture you'd like to change for yourself from your camera roll, adjust it within the frame. You can also zoom in and zoom out on your picture, and once done, click Save. So just like that, your profile picture will be uploaded on Temu.com. Finally, click Save at the bottom to save your changes. And that's it. That's how you add or change your profile picture on Temu. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.